Welcome to the Miss Zoom class for Monday, March 15th. So mainly for today, we're going over Nearpod lesson 6.10, the last lesson in Unit 6. Heads up that we have 4 days left until the official end of the quarter, and our final exam is 4 days away on Thursday. There's also a song for you if you can find today's Easter egg in our homework link somewhere. So far in Unit 4, Unit 6, we've been talking about how to make medications. And in general, in lesson 6.10, we're not really going over anything new. We're kind of just putting together all the equations that we've learned so far. So for our classwork, I want to see if you can complete this on your own without any help. And usually it's helpful if we talk about these stoichiometry problems that are kind of long in terms of food first. So to complete your classwork, you're going to have to go to your main page on Schoology. Should look something like this, and you're going to scroll down to the right-hand side where it says Classwork, Patterns in Multi-Step Stoichiometry. If you can't find it in the upcoming, it should be in the Week 10 folder under March 15th, Monday class materials, where it says Classwork, Patterns in Multi-Step Stoichiometry. So if you click on this, you're going to open that link to the Google form. And when you open that link, the first thing you should see is a tutorial video if you need help with the questions below, right? So these 3 problems, we could condense it to one problem, is essentially what you see in stoichiometry. So these 3 math steps will help you answer one problem in a mixed multi-step problem in stoichiometry that we're going to talk about in Nearpod lesson 6.10. But if you can solve these 3 problems separately, it's pretty much what you are doing in Nearpod lesson 6.10. So when you're done with the classwork, go ahead and go back onto your main page on Schoology. And you can go ahead and complete Nearpod lesson 6.10 for the homework on the right-hand side, or under March 15th, today's homework. Open up homework. Within that folder, Unit 6, Making Medications, Lesson 6.10. So this is your usual Nearpod lesson, and you'll find that it's a super long video without any practice problems. And that's because the practice problems are in this Google document that's attached, right? So if you click on My Document on the upper left-hand side, and then Edit Document on your upper right-hand side, you're going to be able to open this document, and there are 3 practice problems for you to try. These 3 questions will be the same as your launch questions when we go over this tomorrow. And I'm going to go over common terms and how to solve these if you're struggling with this.